Tadan, hello guys. So today is the 16th of the 30 days trading and making money online with AI challenge. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make at least 100 to 200k weekly by doing this simple thing, which is making logos for businesses. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use just AI and your phone to make logo for businesses so that you can make money. And the amazing thing is that you don't have to be a graphic designer to do this. So with just little prompt and few clicks, you have this money in your pocket. And also the advantage of this is that now there are a lot of businesses that are starting every day. So you can, create logo or brand identity for your friends, your colleagues, even your family member, and make money from it with just a simple phone. So without further ado, let me go show you how. So to get the money rolling in is pretty easy, right? So you go to the website logo.com. So it's an AI logo builder. So you enter the name of the business. So for instance, I'm going to use the name of a business. So it's Expand Digitals. So Expand Digitals. Then you click on make logo and you just follow the prompt, right? And just wait. Okay, so here enter the name of your industry. Then here you're going to put digital marketing. So digital agency. Yeah, so here digital marketing, right? So you click on next. So your slogan, helping business get a wider reach. So here click on next. So add keywords. So basically keywords are what people things that are related to your business, right? When people are searching for it. So this keyword help to make the logo better. So you can put things like digital marketing to marketing growth. So web design agency. So here you can put digital. You can put clicks. So here now click on next. So now are you doing this for your business or someone or for someone else? You can say, oh, you're a business owner or a student, so starting a business. So here now what products are you interested in? So here click on website, social media content, bio. You can just select all this, right? Then domain. So why it's like this, right? If you choose this like website, it's going to create different aspect ratios for you. So you can just click, so even stationary, then you click on next and just wait while it generates your logo. So the amazing thing is that there are a lot of people that always look for logo, and also I'm going to show you like a trick to get clients. So if you don't know, I've made a video before on my YouTube channel of how I teach people how to get clients from Fiverr. So you can use Fiverr and Upwork to provide these services, right? Or from your WhatsApp status. So look at how sweet, minimalistic this thing is, right? So Expand Digitals. I love the first one of how minimal it is. It's very, very bold. Looks like an LG logo, right? So Expand Digitals. I think I even love. So Expand Digitals 2005 since 2025. So you can customize it. So this one, I think I like this. You can click here, so you can change the year. So I've been there since, so you see, since 2019. Then you can just click on get logo. So it's as easy as that. So it will tell you to sign up with your email and you download your logo. So guys, this is how to make money like online using creating logo for people. If you have any issues, drop in the comment section. And the most important thing is actually implementing what you learned, right? If you do not implement this thing that you're learning, then it's a waste of time. So knowledge, it's not profitable to you if you just do it and you don't apply it, right? So apply it and let's see you grow, and let's grow together. Love you guys. Till next time. Cheers.